All right, guys, for those of you who do not know, the First Try Foundation is the nonprofit that I started to give kids skateboards who couldn't afford them and wanted to use them. So I'm really excited to present to you one of our very first collaborations. We did this in conjunction with the Boys and Girls Club of America. So a huge, huge, huge thanks to the Boys and Girls Club of America and every single person who has helped contribute to the First Try Foundation. We taught 25 kids 6 lessons over 6 different weeks, and then at the end of it, everyone got to keep their boards and their safety gear, and it was really, really cool project. So we're gonna show you the video now. Just remember, this could not have been possible without your guys' continued help and support. You guys made this happen. You're the best.
Hi.
Hey.
How's it going, Gabe?
How you guys doing today?
Good!
Hey!
They talk too. They talk.
We're gonna teach you guys about skateboarding. Raise your hand if you know about skateboarding.
Ooh, cool.
Raise it up high if you really know about skateboarding. Raise your hand up high if you know about skateboarding. All right. Who in here can ride a skateboard? Push it and ride. All right. Okay. Who in here does not know how to skateboard but wants to learn how to skateboard? Okay. Alrighty, can I get a big yay for being excited?
Yay!
Let's get a yay,
Skateboard
Uzi.
right here, really good.
Next
for you to
time.
be able to learn. The first thing we're gonna teach you guys are the parts on the skateboard. See that? The black stuff right here? This is grip tape. You guys remember that? What is this called? Grip tape. Alright, awesome. A real good skateboard, and every real skateboard has 7 layers of wood. As you can see, they're very thin, they're very hard to see, and some are even hidden under the painting of the skateboards. Whoa, look at these. They move. And then if you go like this, it kind of grinds a little bit too.
I didn't know the skateboards do that.
Okay?
They do.
Choose. Pick your poison.
I know which one I'd pick.
Which one?
Which one would you pick?
This one?
Yep.
Picked up the creature. We'll go with that table. All of you guys. I got no more board. Got you.
That's one right there.
No?
Come over here and pick up one of these knee pads and elbow pads.
Hello, Gabe.
Hello, Dan.
Today, we're gonna learn
Go
backside
ahead.
flips.
Educate us.
I don't have a marker, or else I would. Like this. And then you stick on the wall ride like Skate 3.
That's why you don't ask Uzi to teach you how to skate.
My wrists are safe!
What the heck? There you go. Wait. Oh, that's your left hand, that's why. Man, I wish I bought my board now.
Not compared to other boards.
Wow, look at you!
We love skateboarding!
Alright, that was half volume. Now I need you to make me not able to hear anymore.
We love skateboarding!
That was it? One more time. You better impress me.
No. We love skateboarding!
There you go. Now everyone go skate that direction. Deploy!
So first off, what's your name and how old are you?
My name is Rafael, and I'm 12 years old.
My name is Warren Robinson, 13.
My name's Destiny and I'm 13 years old.
Hi, I'm Constani. I'm 11 years old. Hi, I'm Zoe and I'm 11 years old.
My name's Mariah and I'm 13 years old. Hi, my name is Ayantu and I'm 12 years old.
Why did you want to learn how to skateboard?
Cause it's fun and you learn new things.
I wanted to try something new, and I feel like the people really helped me have confidence in something new.
Because I think skateboarding is really cool and it's like a really nice sport, and I've been wanting to learn it for the longest now.
To try it out and do something new, find a new hobby for myself.
I wanted to learn how to skateboard because the whole transition into learning something is fun. fun, okay?
Since I was 10 years old, I like skateboarding, and usually it helps me with all kinds of different tricks and all. I just wanted to try something new. Like, I tried biking, unicycling, and all these other things, and I just wanted to try something new, and I like it too.
How does owning this new skateboard you have, how has it changed your life?
It changed my life for owning it because like when I was younger, I had a mini one and I couldn't ride it, and I was like really sad and bummed about it, and like it made me like really sad. And then when first try came with the new skateboards, I was kind of happy because I had a new skateboard, and I went home, told my mom, and she was like, finally, like you have a new skateboard and you could learn and do it the right way without hurting yourself physically.
It could change my life. Like, I could go places, my leg muscles could get better, you know.
Now I feel like it gives me a reason to go outside more. Now I found something that I've actually liked, so that, you know, I just don't stay home and not doing anything. So now it gives me something good to do.
I feel like owning my own skateboard will change my life because what if I do more of that skateboard? There's so much more things you can do with a skateboard, and I'm willing to see that path.
Owning my own skateboard will like help me probably even make like a new career.
So how did this project with the First Try Foundation help you?
It helps me with like balancing on my skateboard, and usually I didn't know how to balance on my skateboard.
It helped me have better confidence in myself. I progressed a lot because the people that are here helping us skateboard, they really get the feeling of how we feel, and they're like very supportive with one another, so it really helped me.
It helped me because to learn something new, I guess.
Well, for me, I never knew how to skateboard, but like I know a lot of people who have skateboarded, and when I heard of the program, I was like, I want to try something new. You know, it was like a big risk, but I wanted to like do it because learning something new is fun.
I learned new things, and I learned how to skateboard better and more like cleaner.
It helped me skateboard a lot because when I was younger, I couldn't really skateboard and I didn't really have balance. And then when I came to this camp and I learned, it made me be better at skateboarding.
It helped me to like progress in skateboarding and learn different things.
What would you like to say to the people who donated money to the First Try Foundation to get you that board?
I just want to say thank you so much for all you guys have done for this foundation. It's really helped us out. Deep down in my heart, I say thank you.
Thank you so much. You guys helped me learn something new and have a better experience as a child. I really appreciate it, and thank you. I'd like to say thank you, you guys, and yeah.
I appreciate you guys. Thank you for doing that. Hope you guys could like probably get a skateboard yourself and try it out. It's pretty fun.
Thank you so much. Like, we wouldn't be here without you.
I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much because it helped all of us in the program try something new, even if like they already did it. I just want to say to you guys, thank you so much. You changed a lot of people's lives and you made us better at skateboarding. It's a really nice opportunity. Thank you so much.
My name is Coach Bryant. I am the co-director of the Horizons After School Summer Program for the teens.
So what do you think the biggest challenges were for the kids who attended the Boys and Girls Skate Camp?
I think trying new things, because they're getting out of their comfort zone. Most of our students have never stepped on a skateboard, never even thought of stepping on a skateboard, so for them to get out of their comfort zone, actually try new things was a great experience for them and a challenge for them at the same time. Well, it means a whole lot to the kids. One of my favorite things today was we normally have our program on Thursdays. Today was on Tuesday because we're going on a field trip. One of our students came in and she had on slides and noticed that we were having a skateboard program, so she immediately texted one of her friends to bring her a pair of shoes so she could take part in the skate program today, which is just a small sign of how dope it is. I definitely think it'll change their lives. I definitely think over a handful of them will definitely stick with skating. I think some other ones will actually encourage some of their other friends to try skating, and some of the kids who had never even thought about doing it are definitely into it now more. We've actually had a bunch of our students ask if they could skate during our sort of recess free time. So just showing that they've already found a new love and enjoyment of skating is pretty awesome.
Have you seen improvement?
Yes, definitely seen a lot of improvement. We actually have a girl who has a hard time necessarily walking, and now I've seen her skate, which I would never have fathomed that would be able to happen. And I've seen a couple of kids who have gone from like C-time skater to almost A+ skaters. It's pretty dope.
I cannot believe how incredible this project was. I definitely want to do more and more and more of these. We have some really exciting things happening in the future for the First Try Foundation. And again, like I said at the beginning, it's only possible with your guys' continued help and support. So you can donate anything, any amount, doesn't matter. You can even share the link on your social media. Anything helps. The link is in the description below. A huge thanks to our sponsors, Revive, Santa Cruz, and Roller Derby for providing some boards and helmets. So it's really, really, really awesome. I'm super excited to do more of these projects. My goal is to do one bigger project every single month, keep that going, and then hopefully get into helping some communities put together some skate parks. That would be like a very personal, very special goal of mine. So we have some exciting things planned for that. It's not quite there enough yet to tell you about, but yes, from the bottom of my heart, thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are absolutely incredible. Cannot thank you enough. Even if you can't show any support, just being out there and skateboarding and being part of the skateboard community does way more than you guys could ever know. The skateboarding community is growing. I do have more and more people coming to me and saying, thank you so much, Braille. You helped me learn how to skateboard. You helped me get the ollie, the shove it, the kickflip, etc. So again, you guys are the absolute best, and let's go support the community. Check out all those other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, it's your time to learn how to skateboard. Let's go.